Hi guys. In here. They're put in a cardboard box so I don't have to touch the nest a bunch of times. Yeah. So cute. Yeah, she comes in right there on that left window right there. And then she comes to this wire. So she'll be able to see these guys, and I'll just progressively move it closer to the window. Man, she's really having a hard time. She just like, what she did is she perched on the window and then went all the way over to my left, and then she flew around the box over here. And she's confused to where the babies are at. So yeah, she's even on the spot where they were last. All right. So yeah, there are only 2 guys left now. Now they're over in the neighbor's yard. I saw that this nest was way too small for 4 birds, and I was assuming that they're gonna fly out, and they made this short distance. I was surprised how well they flew. I have padding down here just to make sure that if they did fall, that they wouldn't have hurt themselves too much. Obviously, there's a lot more area for them to fall on, but I did the best that I could. So yeah, it looks like these 2 are a little docile, more docile than the other ones. They're out there already.